Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to put images next to each other within Notion. So as you can see, I'm now in a new page within Notion, and if I want to add an image, I just need to type slash and then type image and then select this one, right? And then let me just add another one, so tap with your mouse right here and then again type image. And what you can do right now is you can of course tap on this, upload your own content, embed a link, or use Unsplash for example. That's what I'm gonna do right now, and add for example this image. Alright, I will show you by the way 2 different methods to do this, and this is the first method. Okay, again tap on Unsplash and just select something like this. I think this one looks nice. So now they are under each other, but basically what you need to do is you can select this image by moving it like this, or you can select those 3 dots. Right, I'm selecting those 3 dots right now, or 6, I think they 6 dots. It doesn't matter, but you just need to select those dots and then move it to the right of the image or to the left of this other image, where you want it to be. Right, for example, move it to the right, and then you see this little blue line, and then you can release your finger, and as you can see, now they are next to each other. So what you can do also is you can just move this. So if you see this like this gray line in the middle, you can change how big you want the image to be. So for example, make the right one much bigger, and what you can do is right now is you can add text right here. For example, this is me in the mountains. Alright, in the mountains. Alright, you can be really creative with that, but for now let me change this. And what you also can do is you can make one image smaller than the other while still keeping this image the same width. Alright, so you can change this one, the width of this image by moving this little black line. You can also do it with this. And you can also do it, let me see, you can also do it like with this. You can move it again. You can be very creative with this. Now, this was one way to do it. Another way to do it is by typing slash and then tap 2 columns, alright? So type this 2 columns, and what you created right now is you see this thing, and you see this, right? So you see 2 different columns, and again type image, alright, and also type here image, and again just upload an image you would like to upload. For example, those clouds, right, and then tap on this one, Unsplash, and then select this one, for example. Alright, and as you can see, this image is like a not like a square. But it doesn't matter basically, because you can make them the same width again, or kind of the same width. Okay, you can make this smaller, you can make this one smaller again, and now they're basically the same. And again, you can change this, and you can even make this your page full screen or full width, like this. And then you can make them bigger. You can make this one bigger, and you can move this. And you can add text under here, and you can add text under here. You can even add one more column, so like then you have 3 images right here. When you tap this and tap 3 columns, now you have 1, 2, 3 columns. And again, you can add an image slash image, and then you can tap on this one and then duplicate and duplicate, and you can move this right here and right here, and then you can move this up a bit. And as you can see, now you can add 3 images. I think you get it right now. This works the same, of course, on mobile, on Windows, on every platform where you can use Notion, as long as you can use Notion. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. If you have any questions, just let them know down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.